Hello Devalmi. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Excel shortcuts and many more autofill feature, and I'm going to tell you about maps also. Let's begin. So, we'll do one thing. First, see this. One, two. Now I want to take to it 100. You will think this you need to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 100. We need to write manually, but there's a shortcut. Hold hold your mouse, drag till here. Now can you see this? Can you see this little circle? This thing so see my button became small plus. So hold this and drag. See, if I go down, wait. Yeah, here, see, 100 came. This is called autofill feature. It's there for months also. January. See, we don't need to write two things for January because it already know. Now we can write 1012. Uh, what is this, guys? What's happening? I also don't know. Sometimes happens. 13 or 14. Yeah, something happens. 30. Now hold this and go down. 27. This is our future. Last video we already learned about tables and charts. Let's simply you can import charts from here also. Illustration, no, recommended charts. Should I take this? Yeah. See, we can take charts also about this. Whole is there. We can take charts also like this and see this. We learn about autofill feature now and think we made a table. Okay, Control T. Think this is a table. Okay, I click this and I want only this to be selected. So should I do this like this? This much long? No, no. You know, Control A. Last time I showed, it selects the whole area. But if you click a specific word, it it could be selected in the whole area. See this? I'll select. Sorry. Okay. Now Control A. See, the whole area got selected because it got selected like this, like this. Now, if I select this and select Control A, only this will get selected, not this. So you need to select heading also. Now Control A, so whole will get selected. Useful tip, na? Yeah, this is useful tip. So everyone should remember. Okay, you should remember every shortcut because it's so important. Okay, so let's go to making maps. I have made a sheet. You can make a sheet also. I forgot to tell that things. You can make sheets as much you want. But for now, I only want two. So I'll delete rest of it. Okay. When we go to sheet one, I have a country sale and sales. Country names and sales. Okay. And they are in table. I just click this and made in table. Okay. I just made in table. That's only what I did. Then you should select all this, go to insert, go to maps, click this. Now you have a wonderful map. See, should we take this? Yeah. Now double click this. You will be redirected to this. First you will see this area, chart options. Then you will think you need to go press this series sales. You come to this redirect. Don't be here. Come to series options, and come here to none to show all. Then series color, make it into 3. Now lowest as red and highest as green. Now see this. According to sales, which is the lowest one, will be red. Like Egypt is the red one. And the highest are this. Second highest this. Third highest this. And fourth highest this. And fifth highest this. So that's how we make this chart titles. Now, if you want to go and rewrite to each and every page, each and every country side, like you can't see the names, so that's also easy. Go to insert, go to slicer, select countries. Okay, now you have this. Close this. Now put it here. Now click sum. I will click Australia. See, I got redirected it. Now USA, United UK, Russia, Mexico, India, Egypt, Brazil. So we got redirected. So this is so easy to do this. And you want to come again back, you can just come here, click this, select all. Okay. Now okay, you will be redirected to the back page. That's so easy to do. We have you can format this map as you want, which any color you can do. Yeah, only this much charts we have. Change color. Yeah, no need. Let it be whatever it is. So for today's videos, this much only. I know this is so short video, but thanks for in my first video I got 159 more than that views, but no one subscribe my video. That's so bad. That's why I made another video for Excel for you guys, and you need to do it again. Okay? It should for in next video I should have 20 subscribers, and in this video I should get 20 likes also. Yeah, so many people are watching and they are not liking also. 20 likes. Okay? Bye bye.